So guys, quickly in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw $156 into your Binance or Trustwallet accounts from this project. Okay. If you check the caption or the thumbnail of that video, it says $156. Now you can actually make more than that from this video. Okay, just watch this video to the end so that you can get everything I'm going to be showing you in this video. Okay. If I come up here now, you can see I have available balance $0 here. I'm going to be putting 300 USD into this project to see how it goes, right? From the information I gather so far, this project have actually been running for almost 3 months. Okay, if you look at the first video about this if you check this YouTube video, this is 2 months ago. This lady actually made this video 2 months ago about assurance castle, right? And up to date, the project is still paid. So I'm going to be depositing my own $300 into this project to see how it goes. Now, I'm going to be showing you also how you're going to be earning these funds from this project. Now, you are expected to earn 7% of your total sum of investment of whatever you're going to be investing into this project for good 8 days. Okay. Now, after that 8 days, you can take back your capital if you want to pull out of the project. Okay. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So assuming you invest this $100 into this project, you're going to be earning, let me quickly show you that. You're going to be earning $7. You can see total profit. You're going to be earning $7 as a profit every single day for good 8 days. And that is going to total amount to 56 US dollar as your profit. Okay. Now this is your capital, which is this $100. Then at the end of the day, you have Ghana 156 USD. 56 USD is your profit, $100 is your capital, and you can decide to withdraw everything out, right? Quickly, let me go down here and show you. You can go to this FAQ and get some more answers that you want, but I'm telling you basically how this thing works. Presently is working, and that is why I'm going to be investing my own $300 into this project. But listen, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just showing you projects that are actually that I'm interested in, and I put in my funds, I make money out of it. Okay. So if you're going to be taking advantage of this project also, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description of this video. Now, you might want to ask me, what do these guys do? Okay. Now, the name of the project is actually called Assurance Castle, right? And this is what they say they do. They are into insurance, they are into binary options, cryptocurrency, they are into oil business, they're into escrow service, personal loan, and all that. Okay. So you can see how to invest, choose a package, check earning, withdraw profit. Okay. Now, if I come down here, I'm going to be showing you that from $100 to $200,000 is what you can invest. Okay. So you can just come here and just say, for me, like I told you, I'm going to be putting $300. So watch to the end to see how I'm going to be making the deposit. So if I put my $300 into this project, every day I'm going to be earning $21, and at the end of the 8 days, I can see my total profit is going to be $168. Okay. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So if you want to also get involved with the project, I will encourage you to just come. The link is in the description. Okay. So let me quickly show you how you're going to be doing that. Okay. Just click that link, and when you click on that link is going to bring you here. You're going to put in your username here, put in your email, choose your country. Okay. You're going to put in your password, confirm your password, and you're going to click on this button now. Okay. If you click on this button, automatically it's going to take you through the process of registration, and you're going to get started with this project. Okay. So here on the dashboard here, let me quickly show you. Let me quickly do my deposit. Okay. And you can see for the withdrawal, provided you have just $5 US. Okay. Provided you have $5, you can actually make your withdrawal. Now, your profit is going to be coming to your account every single day. Okay. And you can make your withdrawal provided you have $5. Okay. So that is how it actually works. Okay. It's very straightforward kind of a project. It's been running for, let me quickly even show you that this has been running for, let me go down. I think I saw it somewhere. Okay, here you can see launch date 1st of May 2023. Sign up to, you can see the amount of people that have signed up. Here you can see the total deposit. Wow, total of people have actually jumped to 20 million. Initially it was 19 million when I checked it early in the day. You can see total withdrawal 14 million. over 14 million have been withdrawn. Running days 191 days is been running. Okay, so let's hope that this project continues to run and quick making quick profits out of the project. The beauty of it is that you can actually take out your capital at the end of the 8 days that you're going to be in this project. Okay, so quickly let me come down here and make my deposits. Okay, let me quickly make a deposit here. So I'm going to click on this button. Now on this project, you can actually start with different kind of coins. So if I come up here, you're going to see Bitcoin. You can start with Bitcoin, you can start with Ethereum, Litecoin, BUSD, okay, BNB, Tron, and USDT. So you just choose any of the coin that actually resonates well with you. You choose the coin and you're going to make a deposit. So quickly, let me make deposit with TRC20. So I'm going to put in 300 USD here. Okay, then I'm going to click on proceed. Now when you click on proceed, it's going to give you a wallet address that you are expected to send in your funds to. Okay, then as soon as you send those funds, the fund is going to appear in your account. Okay, so here is my wallet address. Okay, so I'm expected to send the funds to this wallet address. So I'm going to copy this wallet address here. Let me quickly copy this wallet address. Then I'm going to go to my Trustwallet and I'm going to send the funds to this wallet address. Okay, so quickly let me copy it. Okay, so or you can just come down here and click on this copy. Okay, you can just copy your wallet address, just copy it down here. Then I'm going to go to my Trust Wallet. Then I'm going to send the funds. As soon as I send the funds, it's going to appear in my account here, and I'm going to show it to you guys. Okay, and every day I'm going to be earning 7% consecutively for good 8 days. Okay, let me quickly do the sending, and I'm going to be showing you guys here. Okay, so guys, the deposit has actually gone through. You can see my $300 here, right? So that is how easy and simple it is for actually get started in this project. You just make your deposit, and in 24 hours you begin to get your benefit. Okay, so I'm going to be making another video to show you my withdrawal. You can see my deposit up here. Okay, so just hold on, I'm going to be making another video to show you guys my withdrawal in 24 hours. Okay, so guys, that is how the project actually works. Remember, the link is going to be in the description of the video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also please remember to like this video. Okay, give this video a thumbs up so that others will get to see it. I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch the video. Do take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one, and bye bye for now.